Hello, Eagles. How is everybody doing? I hope you're well. Thank you so much for all your likes, your shares, your comments, and thank you for all those emails and sending in your questions. Keep sending them in. I'll leave my WhatsApp number over there, questions only, and I'll be sure to respond to them via video. Anyway, today I was thinking about faith, faith in the context of just doing life, of just living your greatest and best life. Remember, your lifestyle has to be by design. If you don't choose to design the lifestyle you want, the culture will design it for you. So you will be like a leaf being blown by the wind, and wherever the culture goes, you go. When we are starting out and younger, usually that's the case. We go wherever the wind blows. But then at some point, you start to realize, maybe this is not the direction I want. I want something different. And because once you choose to do something different, then that's where faith is really needed. Faith grows, and faith is something you choose all the time. Basically, faith is believing in the unseen. You see something in your mind's eye, you see something in your heart, you want to go there, but your reality in the present moment doesn't look like where you want to go. So as you take steps to go there, you need faith every step of the way. Sometimes the things you're doing may be contradicting the things you've done before. Sometimes the things you're doing are new. You've never had anyone do them before, but you're following your heart and improvising. So faith is a big deal, and it doesn't stop. The more you grow, the more you get closer to your authenticity, you get closer to your greatness as a person, walking in purpose, walking in victory. Faith is a constant, because life is going to keep giving you opportunities where you'll have to use your faith, where you'll have to grow your faith, expand the faith, stretch it out, but it is necessary. So every day you choose to be faithful to the goals you've set for yourself. You choose to live by faith, to try things that you've never done before, knowing that God is supporting you. People around you will support you. New friends and acquaintances and unusual connections will come and find you on your path as you run your race, and they will help you, but it will take faith to begin. So in today's inspiration, I encourage you to keep the faith in whatever you're doing, to remember faith grows. So as you dream bigger, think bigger than who you think you are in this present moment. The faith will come and match you, and with faith comes grace and all that good stuff that will help you to keep the stamina, the momentum, not to lose hope, but faith is necessary, because the things we really want are in the unseen. Everything we create starts from the unseen, as a thought, as a dream, as an idea. It's purely unseen. Then the actions we take, with time and all kinds of partnerships coming together, we end up having it in the physical as a new reality for your great life. But all that, the underlining base was faith. So go and keep the faith. As always, this is Mother Ego. Leave your questions and your messages under this video, and remember to share, like, and comment. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.